Welcome to another video in the PLA 3.0 What's New series. In this video, we present our new add-on, the Generic Document Types version 2. This add-on supports you in preparing data tables for further processing, and in holding personal and company-related information in digital form. It introduces the new table document, which facilitates the flow of data not only within PLA 3.0, but also into and out of the software. We also updated the note and contact documents. They support you by significantly reducing the organizational effort, whether you work in a small or large environment. Everything is presented in a fresh look on the dashboard, and in reports. And if you want to manage related data, you can even link documents of different types to each other. Of course, the add-on integrates seamlessly into GMP and 21 CFR Part 11 compliant workflows, leaving you with full control over who may provide, access, or modify the information. Before we step into the details of the new features, let's have a look at the PLA 3.0 update strategy. PLA 3.0 receives continuous improvements and enhancements. Major new capabilities are introduced with every version of PLA 3.0 and its add-ons. New versions of PLA 3.0 contain comprehensive and novel features, as well as refined functions. Add-ons allow entirely new analytical options and comply with state-of-the-art methods. While new add-ons or add-on versions take advantage of the most recent PLA 3.0 version, you can update PLA 3.0 and its add-ons independently. Let's now look at the new features of the Generic Document Types version 2. The new table document improves the data management capabilities, from aggregating data within PLA, to transferring data out of the software. The table document allows you to collect specific data from other PLA 3 documents. For example, aggregate assays that were performed by the same operator, or for the same project. Or obtain certain results like the potency values, or suitability criteria from your assay runs. You can also prepare data for migration into other documents, like control charts. Or export the table with a single click into Excel for further use. The note document is the ideal candidate to enhance the informative value of your PLA 3 documents. You can use this tool to add extra information to a document, whether they are annotations, reminders, or internal comments. Simply write all information into the document, format your text using wiki markups, and inspect the note on the dashboard, or create a PDF report. You can also link other PLA 3 documents, and include website links. Or attach files directly to the note. The contact document allows you to organize personal and job-related information on the PLA 3 database. Use the contact document to track contact information and communication details related to the current database, project, or folder. You can also link other PLA 3 documents, like the note document. For example, to keep track of exchanges and meetings with a client. Please visit www.bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.